This video will show you how to clean a fluid ceramic disc cartridge. For more information on how to remove the cartridge from your faucet, please click on the link in the description. To clean dirt and debris from your cartridge, simply rinse it well under cold running water. If calcium or hard water buildup still remain after rinsing, soak it in a 50-50 mixture of water and vinegar for 30 to 60 minutes. If there was a lot of buildup, you may have to repeat this process. Once the cartridge is clean, simply rinse again under cold running water. After rinsing the cartridge, dry it well. Remember, soaking your cartridge in the vinegar solution will clean not only the dirt and hard water buildup, but will also remove the lubrication. To ensure smooth operation of your faucet, you should apply a small amount of silicone-based grease to the seals of your cartridge. Please make sure to only use silicone-based grease that is approved for use with ceramic disc cartridges for faucets. Once you've completed this last step, go ahead and place the cartridge back into your faucet. For more information on fluid products, click on one of the videos below.